This Ecowin Nonstick deep frying pan skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It boasts a 10-inch size and a 3-quart capacity. This makes it perfect for various cooking tasks. You can easily fry chicken or sauté vegetables. The granite coating ensures that food does not stick. This feature makes cooking and cleaning much easier. Plus, the pan is PFOA-free, so you can cook with peace of mind. The Ecowin Nonstick deep frying pan skillet has a Bakelite handle. This handle stays cool to the touch. It provides a comfortable and secure grip. The pan is also induction compatible. This means you can use it on all types of stovetops. Moreover, it is dishwasher safe. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze. You can even put it in the oven. It is safe up to a certain temperature. This adds to its versatility in the kitchen. In terms of appearance, the Ecowin Nonstick deep frying pan skillet looks sleek. Its granite coating gives it a modern touch. It will look good on your stovetop. The pan is also designed for easy storage. You can hang it up using the hole in the handle. While the pan is durable, avoid using metal utensils. They might cause damage to the nonstick coating. With proper care, this Ecowin Nonstick deep frying pan skillet can be a long-lasting tool in your cooking crafts. Pros: dishwasher safe, oven safe, induction ready, granite coating, PFOA-free, with a lid, deep design, Bakelite handle, pour spouts. Cons: not metal utensil safe, hand wash recommended, oven safe to low temp, only one pan. No set. Some find it heavy. Non-stick has lifespan. Handle can get hot. Size may be small. Features: non-stick, deep frying, with lid 10-inch size 3 QT capacity, granite coating, sauté pan. Bakelite handle, induction ready, dishwasher safe. This Ecowin Nonstick deep frying pan is a 10-inch, 3-quart pan with a lid. It has a granite coating that helps food not stick. This pan can be used for frying and sautéing. It has a Bakelite handle that stays cool when cooking. It works on induction stoves and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. It is also safe to put in the oven and does not have PFOA in it. This 10-inch Ecowin deep frying pan with a lid has a nonstick granite coating and a Bakelite handle. It can be used on all kinds of stoves, including induction. It's safe to put in the dishwasher and oven at a low heat. The pan has a deep design and pour spouts to help with cooking. However, it's not safe to use metal tools on it, and it's better to wash it by hand. Some people might find it a bit heavy, and the non-stick coating won't last forever. Also, the handle might get hot, and the pan's size could be small for some. You only get one pan, not a set.